Hi, this is so in this video we're going to be looking at email copywriting, specifically a free tool that I use to make sure my emails are simple and easy to read, that even a fifth grader could understand. It's a great tool to use and I highly recommend it. And at the end I'll also be sharing a free resource which I think you'll find really helpful. So keep an eye out for that later on. So in the meantime, let's get started. Right, so here we are. It's a little great tool which I found to help you write more concise and easy to read emails. It's an app called Hemingway and it's free to use. And I use this all the time when I'm editing my emails before I actually send them out to my list. So I'm going to put an email as an example to show you here. So this is one email I sent out to my list. So if I just copy this, now I tend to write them in Word or Google Docs, and then come in here and just paste it in there. And as you can see, the red means it's hard to read, and there's 3 of these. So at the moment it shows grade 1, which is fine, but you want to try and make it as easy to read as possible. So what you'll need to do as well is when you paste it from a Word or Google Docs, just take out these spaces. So, and try and get these numbers down as low as you can on the right there. So that here, you can see I'm doing spelling mistakes. So you're alright with through these R3 sentences as long as you ain't got too many in your email. And try and reduce these words down there if you can. Also, it's good also to I use Grammarly as well for the grammar as well to help with that. Another great tool there. So we'll get rid of all these spaces. And what you'll find as well, if you do copy and paste from that Word or Google Docs, and then when you do take a line out, you'll have to do another backspace. So it tends to put spaces in there. Now this is an email I've already sent out to my list. So I'm just showing you an example here, one I've actually used. Not sure what's in there, but I tend to use the PS to then put an offer in. So yeah, I believe that's alright. You see as I editing it now, it's gone to a grade 2 on mine. So ideally you want to keep it below grade 5 to make it more easier to read. And if you do get any in red, you can sometimes, I think you could just put full stop or ... to help break it up. Like that. Let's see. Take all these spaces out. It is a bit of extra work, but it does make it sort of a lot easier for your subscribers to actually read it. And once you get used to it, it's quite quick. on there. Bottom one there. Okay. And also the links you paste in there as well, they'll stay there. So when I tend to use ActiveCampaign for my autoresponder, and I say the links stay there. The only thing I have to do is format the text, the font and the text, so the size of the text and the font style I'm using. I tend to use 16 on the size of the font, and then Arial on the font type, and just check through it, and that's it. And then just either Control A to select it, or Control or Command A on the Mac, and then Control C to copy it, or Command C to copy it to your clipboard, and then paste it into an email in your autoresponder. And then just in case you might have to a bit of formatting on that. And you see there's agreed to. And that's all you need to do. So it's quite a simple, easy tool to use. So I hope you find this video helpful. Now, I mentioned at the start, there's a free resource for you. If you look in the description below, you'll see a link to a free video that tells you a new way to create multiple streams of long-term passive affiliate commissions that's beginner friendly, requiring no prior experience, products or technical skills. If you could like, subscribe or comment, and thank you for watching, and see you next time.